Good afternoon, Wetshaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole of Cal Shaves. Today's a special shave for me. I've been operating my YouTube channel since approximately September of last year. In that time, I've made several videos, had a lot of fun, met a lot of great people, and I have gotten some amazing subscribers. Recently, one of my subscribers PM'd me, private messaged me, and asked me if I wanted a safety razor. It's mine if I want to keep it, try it out, do a video with it. What I got with this standard razor. They are out of Texas. A little over 3.5 inch handle overall. 4 inch overall height. 1.7 ounces. Anodized aluminum. Comes with this great stand. You can just sit it inside. Rest it on top. So we'll be giving this a try for the first time. And have them with me, but they also came in bags, which are just little silky type bags, which are just awesome. So my shout out to Frankie Lazarius, and I hope I'm saying your last name right, and I hope I'm not embarrassing you. This is just fantastic. I've been meaning to get this video done for a while. One neat thing with this is you can see the end caps are covered. A lot of razors, they're sticking out, and a little tiny bit there, but hardly. So we'll give this a try. What I figured I'd do today is, my girlfriend loves Atmotic, so I figured I'd give this a go again. And I also recently picked up the Chill Mill from Phoenix Shaving, Douglas Smythe, Phoenix Artists and Accoutrements, How to Grow a Mustache. So we're giving this a go. So what I'm going to do is, it says on the instructions to wet your puck, wet your soap, give a couple of sprinkles, wait a few seconds, and then build up your lather on there. So I will list the scent notes for this in the description. Now I've sampled this out and used it a fair bit, so I'm just going to put a little bit of water in there. Now what I'm also going to be using for this shave, I've got it resting on the skull, which I don't need to do. PAA. Starcraft 24mm hybrid synthetic knot. It's a crossover between a fan and a bulb knot. I've used this once before. It's got quite a high loft on it. Really like it. So I'm going to tilt the camera down. Hope that you guys can see this. It'll be on my stand. So I'll get this geared up. So we got that sitting there. Okay. This is just ingenious. I love the idea of it. If I can get the top off, it'll be even better. There. Now I consider myself a bit of a meth head, so now what it says to do. There. It took a little bit to get it out, but it's just getting it lined up properly. So get this done up. So let's let it soak for a few seconds. Actually, I know this is probably dumb out here. I'm gonna go just a little bit more. Yeah, there. You can see it coming out now. Ingenious idea. For those that want an extra kick of menthol, I don't know how much is overkill. I mean, I've used, actually my first video was with Cryogen, and I've used from First Canadian Shave his Mojito Chill, which is really heavily mentholated. So wait, it says let it soak or sit there for a second. That should be good. So I'm gonna load up my brush. We've got a great load on there. And we're going to take this over to our Thirsty Badger scuttle. So, I'm going to tilt the camera down again. By the way, I'm talking about several companies today. Zingari Man. This is a new shirt for the Zingari tribe. I just recently got this from Heather Melton. Awesome. Love it. She had a design by her, and I'm sorry I can't say his name, but I will post a link here. The guy's been designing a lot of logos for YouTubers in the Wetshaving community. I love this scent. It was one of the... Actually, he first came out with this when he came out with his travel scuttle, and I was fortunate enough to get one of the travel size aftershaves with it. No, I lie. I got the travel size or samples of the puck. I didn't get in. He wasn't offering the aftershave at the time except for the first 50 orders, so I missed out on that. But I loved the puck, the little sample puck so much. As soon as he made it available in full size, as soon as he made it available with the aftershave, I had to go get it. A little bit more water in here. Oh, again, in New Brunswick today, it's another kind of cold, drizzly, rainy day, so again, this will pick me up. Heading out trucking as soon as I'm done with this video and say goodbye to my girlfriend. So, could probably put a little bit more water in there, but let's give that a try. Actually, love the scent of this. Like I said, scent notes, I'll be listing in the edits here. Whether you get the original formula from Phoenix Artisan or you get his new CK6. Lathers are vegan, or soaps rather are vegan, and lather is really, really nice. I could probably put more water in this, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. Definitely getting the menthol coming through. It's not overpowering yet. I don't know what the recommended amounts for that are. But I think next time I'll use more. So we'll give this a go. Wash cut in here, third use. Very nice razor. Made out of aircraft grade aluminum. According to their website, designed in USA, manufactured for them in China. Oops. It's a tad aggressive. Like I said, for me, I like that. That's definitely a bonus for me. Menthol is really coming through. Really enjoying that. I consider myself a bit of a men's head anyway, so I really enjoy that. It was actually the menthol that got me started into making YouTube videos. My buddy Jason Bryan just started at shaving. Did a live video using cryogen. And I decided that I would do one as a joke, you know, kind of go along with him, kind of like a cryogen challenge. You know, doing it live, and he just put it on his face. And the guy started talking, and talking to the point where he was almost physically in pain, because it's just that.
Yeah, this is a soap for people who like are maybe a little sadistic in the inside, or who maybe just like to punish themselves, who hate themselves. No, I'm just kidding. This is cold, and you're gonna be Gonna be hurting.
So anyway, kind of as a challenge video, bit of a gag, and yeah, I made my own video, try to make it a little bit fun and funny, and my buddy Sutherland let me use one of his songs. He's a musician in Toronto, Ontario. He let me use one of his songs, and he makes a cameo in the video as well. I kind of kicked off this whole experience with Cal Shaves and my YouTube channel, and trying to pass along what I know, and you know, try to encourage others to get involved in it. Try and teach a little bit. For a lot of guys, they would consider this soap underhydrated. I didn't put enough water in here, but I really like the way it's going on. I try and go across the grain. Now this, as you can see, doesn't have any knurling on it. They offer 3 different finishes. But none of them have any knurling, but actually it is a little bit slippery, but not as bad as I expected. I was kind of skeptical, didn't know. Frankie, I really like this razor. Thank you very much. You can see the lather slots. They don't have the little short ones. They've got one long lather slot on the other side. And you can see the bit of the blade getting up there. So, got a really nice edge on it. Or a really nice feel to it. I would consider this fairly aggressive. Nowhere near a Mueller R41 or, I don't know. I mean, I would definitely say more aggressive than Rockwell 6C with 6 plate. I could get away with that. Yeah, I could get away with that. That is that smooth. Still, I could do it. I'm going to do a third pass on my neck. Cheeks are almost BBS. This is so much fun that why not do another pass? And like I said, I'm going out trucking after this. Really enjoying. Oh, there's the kick. There's that cold kick right there. Yeah, there's that menthol crystals kicking in. What an ingenious idea, Doug. Absolutely ingenious. You can have, you know, put as little or as much menthol as you want in there. Absolutely ingenious. Love this idea. Lots of soap left over. Let's just build her up good. There, nice and thick coat. That'll work great. One thing I will say about the Atmotic, and I don't know what his intention was, you know, scents, aftershaves, they work a little bit differently with everyone's individual chemistry. I love the scent of it, loved it right away. And I introduced it, or showed it to my girlfriend. She took a sniff of it, and she loved it too. It's kind of weird, but she actually wears it from time to time herself. I know that sounds really strange, and it works well with it, doesn't, you know? I love the scent. So, I want to give a shout out to my girlfriend. We just recently moved in here, and she has been extremely supportive of my addiction, air quotes, addiction. You know, most guys know I have a fair bit of gear and plenty more to buy yet before I'm all said and done. So, to Michelle, I love you, and thank you for being so supportive of this. You know, I know that wives and girlfriends, they might look as a little like we're a little odd, but, you know, Michelle's been really supportive. And actually, if you watch, she has a cameo, albeit masked, in my Halloween video I did, and I will post a link to that here. I mean, actually, when I was unpacking my gear last trip home, that was one of the things she asked, where I got some of my gear set up on the shelf. I didn't have time to unpack all of it, but a lot of it. She said, "Where's the Atmotic?" And I mean, I don't know if it's intended to be unisex or not, but hey, if it works, what the hell? And if she just wears it because it reminds her of me while I'm not trekking, bonus. Sweet. Frankie, I can't thank you enough for this. This, right now, first use of it, this is in my top 5 for my razors. God, I love that, guys. We're back. Got it washed out of here. A little bit more mustache wax reapplied. We're good to go. Because with my mustache getting to be this long, it drinks coffee apparently more than I do. Food. So, very nice. My girlfriend just came in. Sorry, my girlfriend just came in and asked me what I was doing, so I told her, and I said, "You're getting shout outs in the video." So, we'll find out if I live to see next week. So, matching aftershave splash. Love this stuff. Little bit of burn. Alcohol based. Love this stuff. Wow. And there she is.
You done with my cologne?
Am I done with your what?
Cologne, can you give it back to me?
Here's your cologne, baby.
Thank you.
So anyway, guys, that's my shave, and I'm sorry I've been delayed doing it. So Frankie Lazarus, again, I'm not sure how to say your last name, so I'm sorry, and if I've embarrassed you as well, then I apologize for that. But thank you so much. Standard razors, a little over 3.5-inch handle, overall length, 4-inch, anodized aluminum, 1.7 ounces. Comes with a stand. Awesome. Come with little baggies, which I think might be in with my other gear. We also use the Atmotic. Sent notes in the description and around me, wherever. My girlfriend's aftershave apparently just went out the bathroom door. And we also used the chill mill from Phoenix Shaving. Use as much or as little menthol crystals as you like. I love the idea of this. It's so simple, but why hasn't anyone else done it before? So, really awesome. Really loving this shave. So, anyway, guys, thank you for all of your kind words over the last several months. You know, I really appreciate your input, your ideas, and I know I'm late getting some out. I will work on them in the next few weeks as I get a chance. So, anyway, guys, this is going to wrap me up for today. I'm going to go spend a few minutes with my charming girlfriend, my lovely girlfriend, before I got to head out the door to go down to Delaware. So we will see you guys again in a few days. And as always, your comments, your suggestions, good, bad, and different, please don't hesitate to leave down below. You know, I get a kick out of it. So we'll see you again in a few days. You guys take care. Bye-bye.